Sony Bravia 3 versus LG QNED80. Which budget TV is worth the money? So let's start with Sony Bravia 3. It is their latest budget-friendly, offering the best TV and solid picture performance. It's excellent for the picture accuracy and natural color tones, great for movies, and offers a Sony's motion handling, which is strong, reducing blur in a fast scenes. It also offers Google TV interface with a wide app selection, and it has a good upscaling for lower quality content. The cons though, they have a peak brightness which is lower than the LG QNED80, making HDR less impactful. And it's not the best choice for gamers. There's no 120Hz support and limited HDMI 2.1 features. Now for LG QNED80, it is still the same budget category, but focuses on the brightness and gaming features. It has a higher brightness than Sony Bravia 3 and better HDR performance. It offers the QR panel with local dimming provides which good contrast for the price. It also has a great gaming features like the HDMI 2.1, 120Hz refresh rate, and the VRR support. And it runs on the LG's WebOS, smooth and simple to navigate. The only problem is, the picture accuracy is out of the box, isn't as natural as Sony, and the viewing angles aren't as wild as expected for a QNED panel. So overall, if you mainly watch movies and shows and want a natural picture quality with great upscaling, the Sony Bravia 3 is a safer choice. But if you're a gamer or want a brighter screen with smoother HDR, then the LQ QNED 80 offers more value.